Hey there, Christian from RackNerd here, and today we're diving into the topic that is essential for anyone looking to create a website: how to install WordPress with Geek Panel. We'll cover what Geek Panel is, the benefits of using it, and I'll walk you through the step-by-step installation process. But before I get into that, please ensure that you have already pointed to your preferred domain name on your WordPress website. If you haven't already, please check out our recent tutorial about pointing your domain name to your website IP or server IP. Now, if you're ready to take control of your website hosting, stick around and let's dive into it. First things first, what is Geek Panel? It's not just a cool name, it is a powerful control panel that gives you the keys to your own hosting kingdom. Geek Panel is perfect if you want full control over your hosting environment, but why would you want to use it? So what are the benefits of Geek Panel? With Geek Panel, you have the freedom to configure your server settings and web applications to your exact specifications. It's your website and you can decide how it runs. It's optimized for high performance. Your websites will load quickly and efficiently, providing a seamless user experience. Security is a top priority, and Geek Panel lets you implement your own measures to keep your website safe from potential threats. Resource management: efficiently allocate server resources, ensuring your website runs smoothly even during high traffic spikes. Tailor your hosting environment to match your specific needs. For businesses and developers, this is an invaluable feature. Now that you know why Geek Panel might be an excellent choice for your needs, let's move on to the fun part: installing WordPress with Geek Panel. I'll break it down into easy steps so that you can follow along seamlessly. Now let me go ahead and share my screen here and let's get started. First things first, log into your Geek Panel web hosting manager account via your IP:2020. For example, in my case, it is http://192.3.157.68:2020. Now you'll see how user-friendly the Geek Panel is. I'm very excited to share this with you. Okay, so go ahead and navigate to the search bar and then find Create New Account. Now let's fill in all the necessary details on the page and click on Create, just like how we do with our cPanel account. As you can see, if you're familiar with managing WHM by cPanel, they are so similar, right? Okay, moving forward, copy and take notes of the details. Now click on the Geek Panel URLs such as geekpanel.yourdomain.com and open it up via the private browser like Incognito by Google Chrome or any other browser you'd like. You will be directed to the Geek Panel user account login page, similar to cPanel user account. Here, you can continue on with installing WordPress. Please pay attention to your screen while I show you how it works. But it should be pretty self-explanatory, and you'll be surprised how similar it is to cPanel Control Panel. Okay, so let's go ahead and search for WordPress and click on it. Here, you can customize the database details however you want, but I will keep it as is on my end, and just fill in my database password. To proceed, click Install. This will automatically create and connect the database for your WordPress installation, and it will do this in the server under your domain name. So make sure the domain has already been pointed to your server's IP. If you haven't already, please check out our tutorial on doing just that. Once the database is set up, click on the domain link of your chosen domain name to install WordPress. You will then be directed to the WordPress installation page for your domain. Here, please fill out all the necessary details as you want and then click on the installation button. As you can see, WordPress should now be installed, and you're free to log in and do the next steps we mentioned in our recent video, recommended things to do after installing WordPress. And that's it, you've just installed WordPress with Geek Panel and taken control of your website hosting. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the notification bell to stay updated in the world of web hosting. For more hosting options and information, visit our website at racknerd.com. With that said, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and happy hosting.